And I would like to encourage you to get in touch with SIFC, and SIFC should proactively approach our brothers and sisters from Kyrgyzstan for investment portfolios in various sectors of industry, agriculture, IT, AI, mines and minerals in Pakistan. Allah Almighty has blessed our country with infinite natural resources, along with youth bulge, which is a great challenge as well as great opportunity. As I speak, we are providing ample opportunities along with provincial governments to our youth to have access to modern training in IT, AI, vocational training, and have internationally recognized companies offering international certification so they can go abroad to contribute in nation-building efforts in those countries as well as here in Pakistan. So I think again, in this area, both Pakistan and Kyrgyzstan can play a very important role. And Pakistan excels in textile, in pharmaceutical industry. I think I can see faces sitting here in this hall who belong to textile and pharmaceutical industry. I would encourage our Kyrgyzstan businessmen to meet them here and have discussion how to promote our joint cooperation in these areas, as well as agriculture and tourism. Climate change is one area where both Kyrgyzstan and Pakistan are exposed to vagaries of weather. Again here, Pakistan is very keen to cooperate with all those countries, including Kyrgyzstan, to have our efforts, our planning synchronized to meet this challenge in time to come. We have suffered hugely in 2022 and again this year, both in terms of human losses and economic losses. Ladies and gentlemen, I would not take more of your time. Together, let us transform our historical goodwill and friendship into strong economic bonds and usher in an era of mutually beneficial cooperation between Pakistan and the Kyrgyz Republic.